Before you start writing for an explainer video, it's best to understand what they actually are first. They can be used for teaching or commercial purposes. Companies use explainer videos to attract attention and introduce a product or service in a quick and memorable way. The goal of these videos is to inform a viewer or get them to take further action after watching the video. So, after learning the elements that go into writing a script in this course, I highly suggest you check out my Powtoon course to learn how to create your very own explainer videos. In that course, I teach the basics of how to use Powtoon and advanced techniques within the program. I show you where to get valuable royalty-free resources to help your animation come to life, and instruct you on how to design explainer videos with a more artistic eye. Video is proven to be more effective than any other form of visual or text content to grab a viewer's attention. And anyone can get their message animated with Powtoon. In fact, this entire course was made in Powtoon. So, if you like what you see here and are considering making these types of videos yourself, go ahead and check it out. You can get my course for just $9.99 with coupon code POWTOON10. And also for a limited time, you can get 25% off your Powtoon subscription with code MARY25 at checkout. It's a drag and drop style software that runs entirely in your browser. So it's very easy to use and make awesome animated explainer videos.